Hello everyone, my name is Chen. This is my son, he's 6 years old, and I just want to show you that if you practice English with your children, you can easily speak with your children in English the way I speak. So he speaks fluently in English. What's your name?
Agastya Sharma.
How old are you?
6.
In which class do you study?
Second.
Are you in second class or are you in first class?
Second. In March.
Okay. Coming year you will go in the second class. Okay. So what do you do, Agastya? Whole day what do you do?
Playing and study.
Whole day you play and study?
Yes.
Or do you just play and play and play?
Play, study, reading.
Play, study, reading. What are you reading these days?
Gandhi, the Mahatma.
Oh, okay. So he's reading a book. It's called Gandhi the Mahatma, and that book is a illustrative books where
It is a big print. Big print.
Yeah, big print. So there are big pictures. The pictures are very attractive for children, so children get attracted.
And whichever pages they are so interesting and so that what you call that? Interesting and some so nice words so that you can use in English.
Okay, so you are enriching your vocabulary by reading this book. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And is it also helping you to improve your reading skills?
Yes. My reading skills is super fast.
Your skill reading are better?
I know Gandhiji's one story without looking.
Okay, could you please tell us?
I'm forgetting.
So next time he would tell us a story on Mahatma Gandhi, the story which he knows by heart. He would just revise once and then he would tell us. He will also read the book and he will show us his reading skills. So practice every day. You don't have to sit with children and make them sit and make them read. Just like playful, play with them while playing. Make them read while playing, practice word meaning with them. So for example, sometime when he comes and he jumps on my back, I ask him, hey, what is the meaning of impish? What is the meaning of mendacious? So I give him few words and ask them the meaning. I tell him the meaning beforehand, and then later on, whenever I get time, while playing with him, I always ask him, tell me the word meaning, tell me something about this and tell me something about that. So this is how I practice with him. So in order to speak in English, you can always learn grammar. You can always sit and learn the grammar rules. But unless you speak, those grammar rules will not help you. So in order to speak fluently, the only thing can help you is to practice speaking English with someone. And nothing is better than children. Always practice with children. That's it in today's video. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our video if you like, and please keep learning with your parents English. If you want to use it every day, you can use it, but speak in English always, every day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.